Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 4. Don't really have any plans for today, so I need a little thing I do. I'm probably just gonna pick up the camera and hit record. But for now, I actually have to move my couch, well, kind of rearrange this room. So I'm going to move the couch onto this wall where the dresser is, and then move the dresser onto this side because the way the pull-out, how big the pull-out couch is, there's no walking room. Like if we pull it out and it extends that way, so we need to move it. Yeah, so that's what you guys are gonna watch. As you guys can see, I moved the blue couch, and I'm actually going to move the dresser on the other side of the room because the heater is right next to it, and I just don't, you know, safety reasons and all that. Plus, with the dresser being here, the couch can't really extend because it's in the way. So yeah, just gonna move that real quick. Alright, I think that looks good with the couch here, the dresser there. Hi, Mitsuku. Are you gonna be in my video? Can you see the camera? Hi, mamas. Hi, gorgeous girl. Wow, your breath. Thanks. I need to brush our teeth. But now I'm just gonna put everything back on the dresser. Okay, so this room actually is so much smaller than I expected it to be. The couch and the dresser already take up so much room, and once we put the closet doors in, it's gonna look even smaller. So I'm not exactly sure how I'm gonna organize and decorate this room, because I did want like a desk and all that. So I might just end up replacing this dresser with like a desk that has a lot of drawers and storage, so I can put all my makeup in there. And that'll probably be like it in here with like a rug and some stuff on the walls, because I just don't want to have to move so much around whenever we do have guests and we have to pull out the bed, because yeah, there's just there's like no room whatsoever in here. So we'll see what happens. If worst comes to worst, I will just put this dresser in my closet, and you know, just have to deal with it then. So we'll see what happens, because like I said, the couch takes up half the room. Hey guys, so I haven't really done much today besides eat breakfast and rearrange my office. I am gonna head to the gym. I just got dressed. I'm just wearing this light blue sweater, some sweatpants, and I still have to put on my you know, tennis shoes. I just put my hair in a braid. I don't usually put my hair in braids. It's usually in a ponytail or a bun, but I'm just doing legs and cardio in one because I didn't go yesterday, and I usually try to stick to cardio, strength training, and just alternating. So today it's kind of a mix of both because I'm gonna be on the stair machine and like, you know, doing lunges and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I guess I'll catch you guys when I get back, and I have to get like protein and stuff, so I might do like a mini little car haul in my car. Hey guys, what's up? I'm back from the gym. I'm already showered. I'm just brushing out my hair. I'm in a sweatshirt and sweatpants again, and my slippers that I love so much. I think for Vlogmas, from now on, I'm just gonna show you like one different thing a day, like I did with the clean with me. So like that'll be a cleaning vlog. Yesterday was like going to work, and then today I'm gonna do like a cook with me thing, because like I'm not working anymore. I had a seasonal job that works with the school season, and now that like schools are going on break, I'm not gonna work until after the break. So yeah, today's gonna be like a cook with me. Tomorrow I don't know, running a few errands, so I'll take you with me to that, and that's kind of gonna be it, because other than like clean the house every day and make dinner, I don't really do much. So there's not really much to show you guys. You might see a lot of like makeup tutorials and like me testing out all the makeup I have and like maybe organizing the closet, but there's not really much to my life. I'm just gonna like put my hair up in a bun and, you know, get all comfy and whatever, and then we'll go into the kitchen and we'll cook today's dinner. Alright, so I just finished chopping up all the chicken. Tonight we are having firecracker chicken. It's like a sriracha based chicken, you know, thing. I always wear at least one glove when I chop chicken, because this is the hand I hold it with. This is the hand with a knife, and I hate touching raw chicken. I think it's absolutely disgusting. So I'm just going to put the chicken in the pan, let it cook, and then I'm going to take it out of this pan, make the sauce, and then mix it all together. And we're just going to eat it with some rice, and it should be really yummy. So I didn't let the pot heat up long enough before putting the chicken in. So while this is heating up, I'm going to put the rest of the chicken in Ziploc bags to put back in the freezer.
Very witchy. I believe the palette is permanent, but the other products are limited edition. Yeah, correct, I think it is. But the main...
Alright, so I want to show you guys the protein that I got today. It's called Body Fortress Whey Protein. Super advanced whey protein. I apologize. I got it because it was the cheapest one at the store, and then I started looking at reviews, and this is probably not the best. It's really high calorie, which I didn't like. So, yeah, I don't know. I might just start mixing this into like my oatmeal, because it's vanilla flavored, just so I can have like some protein in the morning, and then I'm gonna buy like a more nutritious and like complete protein that I'll actually drink when I get back from the gym. Because then you're supposed to take 2 scoops. I usually only do 1 because I'm small, and I also don't really like go ham at the gym. So I use 1 scoop. 1 scoop is 200 calories, and so 2 scoops is 400 calories. That's a lot in my opinion. I've had proteins that are like 90 calories for like 2 scoops. So, well, for 1 scoop, because I only do 1 scoop. So 200, that's a lot. That's a lot. That's why I said I might include it in breakfast, because like the morning is when you need the most energy. But yeah, I mean, it was only what, like $16. So I mean, what can you expect for a $16 protein? Just thought I'd share. So I reviewed some of the footage and like when I was making the sauce, I was like, wow, there's a lot more sugar in this than I remember. So it's like half a cup of hot sauce to 1 cup of sugar, but I doubled the recipe, so it was 1 cup of sauce, hot sauce, and 2 cups of sugar. So yeah, it's a lot, but it's supposed to be like a glaze, and we always put it like the sauce on our rice anyways, so that's why I doubled it. But you can always cut down on the sugar if you want to, but I just thought I don't know. Thought if people would see that, they'd think I'm crazy, so I felt the need to, you know, clarify. It's like yesterday, Logan was walking out of the door when I was vlogging in my car, out of the front door, and I threw up the peace sign, but when I was editing, it looked like I was flipping someone off, so I was like, wait, let me, let me explain, you know? So, yeah, so I know there's a lot of sugar, but, you know, that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. So I want to show you guys what the chicken looks like. There it is. It's super saucy. It's almost like soupy. I'm gonna let it cook down for just a few more minutes, and then I'm gonna turn it off, and as it cools down, the sauce is gonna thicken up a bit because it's supposed to be kind of like a glaze, not really like a thin sauce. So yeah, I'll show you guys what that looks like when we're eating dinner and say our outro. So that's it for this vlog. I feel like these vlogs are gonna be so sad because I don't, like, besides work in the gym, I don't do anything, and then I'm not working anymore because the season's over. The gym is embarrassing to film at, so like I'm just at home watching TV and cleaning.